Good morning, everybody. Going to do a quick tour because this video just came to me this morning. I want to show all of you why I love the Campo de Fiori district, why I would come back here and stay here, and I don't know if I could stay anyplace else. She's still waking up. We're gonna go on our way to get breakfast. So one of the things that's really great about where our Airbnb was on Paradiso is right down that way you have pizza and gelato. Right over here there's also hotels, but there's an awesome patisserie. I know that's the French way to say it, but I can't say the Italian way. Right down there, there's mini markets all along here. Bunch of little stores and restaurants. One of our favorite bars is down that way, as well as the tiramisu place. And right up here is the market at Campo de Fiori, which you might have seen on my Instagram stories. So if you are in an Airbnb, there is a meat shop right there if you want to cook for yourself. And here we are coming up on the market. Everybody's getting set up. And this is also very lively at nighttime with all the restaurants. There's live musicians that play out here. Amazing place. When you see a place called a bar, that does not necessarily mean alcohol. Honestly, a lot of these places serve both alcohol and coffee. So if you're looking for coffee, espresso in the morning, go to the bar. One of the things that's also great about walking around Campo area is the views. You just never know what you're gonna see. So beautiful. Like, this just feels like classic Rome. I tell you, I can't begin to tell you how many times I've walked past this place trying to find it every time I've come here, but it is my absolute favorite here in this neighborhood. Come here, babe. As you can see, I'm not alone. Oh, girl. What do you say? Yeah, look at those. How's that maritoso? Good. I think I forgot to record the heart, but if you're on my Instagram, you've seen the heart. It's like the most Instagrammable cappuccino in Rome. Look at the cannolis. Yeah, but look down. So after a delightful breakfast, we're gonna head walk around, show you a little bit more. And then we gotta catch a train. Yeah, fresh juice. Come on, babe. Yes? I'm good, thank you, though. And cheese.
What are you doing? Don't we supposed to go?
Well, just nom 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 nom. I'm definitely obsessed with artichokes after the couple different ways I've had artichokes here. One of my favorite places over here is Bacchanale. This place has some of the most amazing sandwiches. You can get lunch for $4 to $5. This place as well is fantastic. Their pastries are great. Their pizza's great. I would say their pizza's probably a little bit more authentic. There is Alice's up here, which is really good, but it's kind of like a local chain. But if you're looking for something a little bit more authentic, I'd go back there. Never worry about lost luggage here because there's clothes all around for dirt cheap. So we had Alice pizza. That was really, really good. And the blue ice gelato was good, but I dare say that the Valentina gelaterie closer to Trevi Fountain was better, but still good. I mean, it's really hard to screw up sugar and cream. I mean, it is so hard to walk by these windows and not want to go in. Oh my goodness. All the time. Their great bonus, the taxi stand is right there. So close. So that was the little walk around. We are back at the Airbnb. Going in like Fort Knox. All right. Key number 1. Go in. And as you can see, it's a little doorway.
Very little.
To door number 2. Keep putting the keys in upside down. And push. And last but not least,
You have to go upstairs. Key number 3.
key number 3.
No, it was already open.
And here we go. Home sweet home. No more.
No more.
I'm going to miss laying in bed and having these views and these sounds. Somebody else is still in bed. All right, so we made it to the Termini train station. Pro tip, if you are here Monday through Friday, get your taxi an hour earlier than your train time because it took us about 25 minutes to go about 1.5 miles. So let's do this. Let's go. All right, up here are your train departure times. There's this up there already. The pages do change, so don't get scared if you don't see yours. You can buy tickets at automated machines or the counters themselves. Pretty swanky train station. Victoria's Secret, Calvin Klein, you name it. All right, here we go to platform 5. So when you're looking at your ticket, the number there, I know it's really hard to focus and make out, is number 3. That is where you line up on the train pads. Each one of these screens has a number on it. Not a big area. And here is the business cabin. You got 4s of tables. Living area to 2. Shades go up. There's also private. So when you are in the business cabin, there is free Wi-Fi. We'll see how good the Wi-Fi is though. And there's a little girl doing homework. Yep, no. The train has left the station.
Well, it's going to left the station.
Leave.
Leave the station.
Fast right out of the station.
Oh, now I get it. I can't wait to go to bed.
So it comes with a free Italian newspaper. You have your choice. We got both. And what are you doing?
La bambina legge.
Good morning.
Do you want something to drink?
We got these, but water would be great. Ooh.
Juice, coffee, iced tea.
I'm good.
Good?
You say grazie?
You're welcome.
Say grazie.
Betsy.
Alright, hold on. No, honey.
Chocolate flavored cookie.
It never fails. Beautiful. Wow.
What is this?
From Vesuvius going on, I guess.
2 minutes to stop. Be free the picture
Okay,
photo. Okay.
perfect. I'm just shooting a little video. Do you do this drive a lot?
My paradise.
Paradise, absolutely.
Fantastic. In front of the Naples.
Mm-hmm.